Hey, it's Blaine from Zenith, and you're on the roof with Sibby. We're out here in Dallas today on a repair job that I came and inspected this roof several months back for a client of mine. We knew that it's an old roof and there were some system issues, some leak issues that were occurring for the tenants. And what I really wanted to convey to you guys is the necessity and the importance of taking the proactive approach when it comes to maintaining your roofing system. You want to have professionals come out and do periodic inspections to make sure that the necessary things are taken care of and that there aren't any issues going on. That way we can get ahead of them before they become actual issues. So what you'll see behind me is a very ingenious way of repairing a penetration. Right now we have the proper repair with the turbine in the roof that is watertight and is allowing proper ventilation. However, when I came out, what I saw was somebody took the initiative and actually stuck a 5-gallon bucket inside of that hole and sealed it up themselves. So hats off to them, kudos, I appreciate it. Thank you for your service. However, I think it's better if you give us a call. We can come out and make sure that type of stuff doesn't happen.